So let's solve this equation. We've got 13x plus 1 equals 11x plus 8. Now, if you watch my other videos, you'll have seen me deal with 13x plus 1. You won't have seen me deal with that one, but you'll see me deal with x's on both sides and numbers on both sides. So we move the smaller number of x's to the side with the larger number of x's. If we move it to the other side, you must remember to change its sign to a negative. The 8 stays where it is. We move the plus 1 to the other side, and that becomes a negative. And just to remind you, effectively you've taken 11x away from both sides, and you've taken 1 away from both sides as well. So the 13x take 11x is 2x, and the 8 take 1 is 7. So we've got 2x equals 7, so therefore x will equal 7 divided by 2. 2 lots of x equals 7. We have to half the 7 to find out what x is. So x is 7 over 2, or you can write 3.5. Now in part B, we've got to show that y equals minus 2 is a solution of this equation. So what we've got to do here then is we've got to replace y with minus 2 and check the two sides are the same. So I replace y with minus 2, and I add minus 2, and then I check, does this equal 2 lots of minus 2? So 4 divided by minus 2, well 4 divided by plus 2 would be 2, so dividing by a minus must give a different answer, so that will be minus 2. Plus a minus is exactly the same as subtracting, and 2 lots of minus 2 is minus 4. Now minus 2 is minus 4, so the two sides are the same, so we've checked and it's correct, it is a solution. Just a little bit of help here, a couple of rules I've used then. If I'm multiplying numbers and the signs are different, plus 2 times minus 2, the answer will be negative. If I'm at minus, let's put a number line, if I'm at minus 2 and I add a minus to that, it gives me a larger minus. And if I do a division where one of the numbers is plus and the other is minus, then the same as multiplication, that will end up with a minus answer. So the answer then, well, we've shown that minus 4 is a solution to the equation.